Definitely this is the best matumbo recipe ever because the matumbo is tender, delicious and full of flavor. So I've already parboiled my matumbo. I usually use a pressure cooker to soften up my matumbo because it saves up time. And I usually use a manual pressure cooker. So I have my matumbo, onions, tomatoes, coriander, a few spices, garlic and ginger. So you're going to find everything listed in the description box down below in the right quantity. So I've placed a cast iron pan over medium flame, added cooking oil. I'm going to be adding in my onions together with some garlic and ginger. I usually add a lot of garlic and ginger to my matumbo recipe because the ginger adds a lot of flavor and also it reduces the smell of matumbo. So if you don't like that, you can increase the amount of garlic and ginger that you're using for your recipe. So I'm going to be cooking my onions until soft. Once my onion, garlic and ginger is a little bit brown, I'm going to be adding in tomatoes. Also, I'm going to be adding in a teaspoon of tomato paste. Stir in. I'm going to add in a splash of water, stir in the water and let the tomatoes cook. And as the tomatoes are cooking, I'm going to be adding a few spices, a seasoning cube and salt. Stir the spices into the tomatoes and let the tomatoes cook together, absorbing all the nice flavors from my spices. Add in some coriander stems. Don't throw away your coriander stems. If you want to make some delicious matumbo, make sure that the matumbo is super tender. You can add a pinch of sugar to reduce the acidity of the tomatoes. Yes, so well done. I'm going to be adding back my cooked matumbo. So I'm going to add in some water and let the matumbo simmer for around 5 minutes on low until all the nice flavors are fully absorbed into the matumbo. Also make sure to fully season your matumbo because seasoning is the best thing ever. So make it perfect and you'll have some delicious matumbo. I specifically enjoy adding a lot of coriander to my matumbo. So at this point, everything is looking so good and delicious. I'm going to add in coriander. Mix together with my matumbo. There is my easy, delicious and very well seasoned matumbo recipe that I hope you're going to be trying. I love having my matumbo with some ugali or chapati and definitely it's going to be worth it. So catch you on my next episode.